Hi friends, today we will install Jenkins on Red Hat. Let's start. EC2. Launch instance. Jenkins setup. Red Hat. I am taking T2.micro, 1 CPU and 1 GB RAM. Create a new key pair. Jenkins key. Create key pair. Launch instance. Scroll down. View all instances. Now Jenkins setup instance is running. Let me take mobile XM software. MOD mobile XM software. Click on open. Click here. Copy the public IP. Sessions. SSH. Remote host. Provide the public IP. Click here. EC2-user. Advanced SSH settings. Use private key. Click here and select the Jenkins key.pem. Open. Click on OK. Okay. Let's go to our Notepad++, and we have one URL there for installing the Jenkins. Copy this URL. This is the Jenkins.io URL. Paste the URL here. Now let's install Jenkins. Okay. So wget is the command we need to install in our Red Hat. First, sudo yum install wget-y. Wget installation is completed. Let's start installing the first step here. Let's install the Jenkins repository first. Copy this one, paste here. Okay. Next we import the Jenkins key. Copy this command, paste here. Next, sudo yum upgrade. Y. Just follow the steps which are provided in the documentation. Jenkins official page it is. So upgrade command is successful. Next we need to install the dependencies. We are installing Java 17 here. OpenJDK. Okay, now Java 17 is installing. So Java 17 OpenJDK is successful. Let's check the Java version. Okay, OpenJDK 17.0.14. Okay, let's install Jenkins now. Sudo yum install Jenkins. Jenkins is installing right now. Let's wait. Jenkins installation is successful. Let's check the Jenkins service whether it's running or not. systemctl status Jenkins. Jenkins is not running right now. It is showing as inactive. Let's start the service. Command is systemctl start Jenkins. We need to provide sudo start. Now Jenkins service will start. Let's check the status of Jenkins again. Jenkins service is active running. You can see here. Now we have to execute one more command. Systemctl. We have to provide sudo enable Jenkins. Whenever you need to reboot, that time Jenkins service also will start automatically by enabling the Jenkins. Okay, fine. Now the next step is like Jenkins will run on the port number 8080. So we need to open the port. The port is 8080. We need to open right now. Let's go to we will open the port 8080. Okay. Go to security. Click on security groups. Edit inbound roles. Add role. Provide the port number 8080 and you select here anywhere IP4. Scroll down and save roles. Now you go to EC2 instances and take the public IP here, copy the public IP here, paste the IP, public IP, colon 8080. Okay. Next, copy the path here. We need to unlock the Jenkins, so copy the path and sudo cat, paste the path here, enter, copy the password and provide here to unlock the Jenkins. Continue. Next we need to install the suggested plugins here. Click on install suggested plugins. It will take some time for installing all the plugins, required plugins. Provide username. Provide some full name. Provide email address. Save and continue. Okay. Never. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So this is the home page of the Jenkins. So let me create one